Absolutely not being stressed out by these cars at all. What's the problem, sir?
Oh, they missed me.
Sorry, we missed you. ... Are those underwear or shorts?
Both.
Excellent. We got fuel, we got compression, we have spark only up to the distributor cap, but not at the spark plugs. We're going to return that when we're done. Put it in the shrink ray. Right? We need to cut the handle off of that. Start chewing on it. This is where you cut your fucking hand off. Hopefully this is not fertilized, because then you're going to find a live embryo in there.
You're going to have to edit that part out.
Well, where you stabbed my car?
No.
Shave it like this. Like you're peeling a potato. Yeah. I like to do that to my own skin sometimes. For a $5 fucking tool, they really went to town. Let me ask you this, do you have any way to heat that knife up?
Run the engine, right?
Yeah. I'm thinking could cut through it like a hot knife through plastic.
I wonder if we use the
What?
fucking the hitch and this.
That knife's been recalled anyway.
I know.
I wouldn't use a round part. It's usually working. Yeah. This goes right. Pulling out of my hand. You know what I'm saying? Like every time you hit this, it's bouncing the car. Okay, try again. Ow. This is like those guys who build those underground pools with a stick. Here, let's go. Get there. Oh, that's the shit.
Should we retreat? I think they'll take this back.
They have to. I'll tell them it broke. Well, yeah, I don't know. They'll be like, well, did you hit it with a knife and a hitch on the side of the curb? Because that's what it looks like.
During a hailstorm on the...
Right on the 4th of July. Let that be a lesson to people who give up.
Trouble finding it.
That was the 20. You cut the wrong fucking... I hate to see you take something apart that has more than 2 bolts holding it on.
If you drop these, all hell.
I wish you were a lady right now.
Must be a lady.
Alright. Whoa, hey!
I want to make sure that magnetic. I keep this actually.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I might not bring this back.
Yeah. No, but we gotta at least try. And also don't wear a mask when you go in. This is America! I can return this if I want to. What do you see?
That fucking thing is gone.
Oh, the point?
Yeah.
What about the cap itself?
The cap is there.
No, flip the cap over so you can see the...
See, it's all done with a 15. It's all 15s nowadays.
You know what you need here?
20-weight ball bearings?
There's some 30-weight ball bearings. No, some ball... What does he say? 30-weight ball bearings? Some fucking...
Look at all this gook. Clean
Good.
these windows.
Hey!
Gotta go to my truck.
You know what? Looking at this, better make that Quaker state. There's a reason why this happens. You know what? I think, if you ask me...
I should replace the cap too.
Are you asking me? You should really, but it may have disintegrated, but I think you should take just a really good look before you put it... Yeah. before you put the other one on to make sure it's not in there. Just a little bit of Any evidence of that fucker in there?
Well, I don't like to see it per se.
Yeah.
I don't see. It's just shit in there, frozen.
Probably gone then.
Gone but not forgotten.
Gone, but definitely not forgotten. You know, they're thinking about doing away with distributors on these cars.
Well, they're gonna replace them.
They're just gonna have, believe it or not, distributorless ignition systems.
Repair. What would go wrong?
I like these better because you can fix them on the side of the road.
Yeah, exactly. So something else will break.
I like cars with points and carburetors because in the winter I like to go out there and hit the carburetor with a screwdriver and stick the screwdriver into the air.
Remember that?
Yeah. Once my dog shit in my car and I had to hose it out at the do-it-yourself car wash. No, I never did, and the radio never worked again either. All right, fire it up. Woo! I want to try something.
Make it dance.
It didn't do it. It didn't do nearly what I thought it would. Wow!
Hey, you the guy from Ajax?
Yeah, you bet.
All right.
Gord, take a look at the 7th Fetzer valve, will you? I think it's been sticking.
Probably the humidity.
That's funny. No, what I think it is myself is the bypass line.
That could be the bypass line, yeah. Maybe I should take a look at it.
Gordo, back here?
Don't tell me my business, boy. Just checking the luggage. Somebody ought to clean these windows. There is a tremendous buildup of gook all over them. Look at that. Here, let me take a crack at this Fetzer here.
Gord.
Yeah, I know where it is. I'm just getting a bird's eye view here, and,
What do you think? It's the bypass line, right?
I think it's the bypass line, yeah.
Told you.
I'm going to need some pliers and a set of 30-weight ball bearings.
Why?
Yeah, tell you what, I got to go to my truck. If Fred gets here before I'm back, you can tell him to start without me.
What the hell you need ball bearings for?
Oh, come on, guys. It's so simple. Maybe you need a refresher course. Hey, it's all ball bearings nowadays. Now, you prepare that Fetzer valve with some 3-in-1 oil and some gauze pads. And I'm going to need about 10 quarts of antifreeze, preferably Prestone. No, don't make that Quaker state. Wash those windows. They've got filth and muck on them.